Damn, I had a lot of foundation on my chest. What the hell? What am I doing today? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Aryelle Artistry here, and I'm coming at you with another look. So today we're going to be going bold. We're going to be doing this black smoky eye right here. Wanted to show you guys how easy it is to do a black smoky eye, how you can rock it without looking like a raccoon. You don't have to go as bold as I did. I just want to show you the concept of how to do it. And I love my hair. It goes with it. I just washed it, so that's why it's like I just woke up like bedhead type vibe, you know? Before I get into the video though, please subscribe to my channel, be a part of my mermaid squad. You know you want to join the fam, so just do it. It takes 2 seconds. Just click that subscribe button. You can sit with us. You can all sit with us. We don't have any rules here. Just no negativity. That's about it. And if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please comment down below what you guys want to see next. So yeah, if you want to see how to get this black smoky eye with this nude lip, just keep on watching. Hey guys, so I already did my eyebrows off camera and I primed my eyelids. This look is going to be really easy. It's only going to be using a couple of eye products just because it's going to be like a quick and easy smoky eye. So let's get started. So I'm just going to be using a black shadow stick to start out with. If you want a more affordable one, this one is MAC. The Milk pencil that I usually use, the NYX one, they also have it in black. And Mercier also has a black shadow stick, so you can use that to start off with. So this is very similar to the Easy Skull look that I did on my channel. I'm just going to be taking this, putting it all over my lid, and then blending it out. So I just wanted to show you guys what it would look like for like a glam look. I'm just going to do one eye at a time just because this does dry pretty quick, and I don't want it to be hard to blend out. So I'm just taking it, putting it on my lid like I usually do with the Milk pencil. And it doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to be blending it out. So now I'm going to be taking the flat synthetic brush by Crown and I'm just going to be blending this out. So it's going to go on like a gray just because I have the concealer on there. I put the concealer too is because I do have really oily eyelids. So sometimes shadows can lift. But this is usually pretty good, but I just wanted to make sure that it wouldn't lift up. Just because this is black and it's going to be really obvious if you have any creasing. I know in the other video too, I usually start off with a transition shade like a gray or something, but I mean if you're careful then you could just use the pencil and then an eyeshadow. I just wanted to have a easy smoky eye because I know some of you guys are afraid of black, and when you get like up here you want to flick it out and up into the crease just so you don't have any harsh lines because that's going to be really hard to blend out. And I'm just working in sections. You don't want to rush and do this. You want to take your time, even though it's not going to be perfect, but you just want to make sure you blend out the harsh lines before you put the shadow on top. And you want to do this before your foundation just in case of any fallout. You don't want to have your whole foundation routine done and then you get fallout under here. So now I'm going to be taking MAC 217 brush just to blend out the harsh lines up here before I go in with the shadow, making sure that everything is blended because we don't want any harsh lines. Oh yeah. So see how it's like kind of like a bluish gray? So once we put the black on there, it'll change the color. This is just our base. So I'm going to be using that same brush for this eyeshadow. This is Makeup Geek in the Shadow Corrupt. This is the blackest eyeshadow that I have found in the industry. I've had this actually for a really long time. This was when everyone was using Max Carbon, and then the Makeup Geek Corrupt came out, and that just like changed the game because it's like jet black. So I'm just going to be placing it on top of what we did. And I'm going to go in with another brush after this one. I'm just placing this right onto the lid first just to deposit the color. See the difference? How this is a lot more blacker? Blacker a word? I feel like it's not. It probably is, but I don't even know. It just sounds weird. And you want to make sure that your lash line is black too. You don't want to have any areas missing. So now I'm going to take that 217 and just blend it out again. And then we're going to be putting some shadow on this. This is without shadow, just making sure it's blended. So now I'm going to dip it into the Makeup Geek Corrupt. I'm not going to be going crazy just because we want to start off slow. And I'm stabbing and I'm also blending. And I'm going to wing this out a little bit. And the less product I have on the brush, the more I move up into my crease just because we want like that faded effect. But you see how there's like some missing here? I'm going to add some more there. So I'm going to go in with this MAC 39 brush. I'm going to be putting this on my lid and into the crease where we had some of that space missing. This brush is great because it applies and blends at the same time rather than that other synthetic brush we used. That one is more for depositing color. So I'm going to apply the color and then start flicking upward into the crease. And I'm just doing the same motion, like dabbing it on there and then flicking up. Wow, I love a smoky eye. It's so pretty. And I'm going to go back in with that 217 and just blend again. You know I'm all about blending. And I'm going to take an even smaller blending brush. This is a C528 crown brush. It's a small detailing brush. I use this in every tutorial basically. I love this brush. And I'm just going to get into my crease just to darken it up a little bit. And since I have a hooded lid, I want to make sure there's a lot of color here. And then I want it to fade out. So that's why I'm adding so much here in my crease. Now I'm going to go in with a clean blending brush. This is a C511 brush by Crown. And I'm just going to be blending out the edges right by my brow and over here, just to make sure that it has that fade. See, that's how you get like that gradient effect. Just make sure you keep blending. And you don't have to take it as far up as I'm taking it. Like I said, I just have hooded lids, so I want this really to be smoked out. So you can stop if you want to. I just like the drama. Is someone really calling me? Okay, so now that the eyeshadow is all done, came out pretty nice. So now I'm going to pop some lashes on. These are the Allure Luxe Silk Marquise Silk Effect lashes. So I'm going to pop these bad boys on and I will be right back. Alright, so lashes are on. I love these lashes so much and they're like 12 bucks. They're so nice. Okay, so now to make our eye underneath. It is a little bit black just because I put a little bit of mascara on. But just to make it a little bit blacker, I'm going to be taking MAC Feline pencil and just be tight lining. So that's right underneath your lash line. So it's just going to make it look a lot more black. So it makes your lashes look so much fuller. And now I'm going to put some mascara on my lashes, not the fake lashes. And a lot of people do this before. I just do it after because my lashes are so curly. And it takes me a while just to put the lashes on if I do the mascara first. So I like to do it after. And if you just make sure you get your actual lash, you can reuse these lashes again. See the difference how it just looks so much blacker? Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Alrighty, now I'm going to be taking my Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. And I'm just using this to cover the lash band. I'm not going to make a wing or anything. You guys already know I'm not really a wing girl just because of my eye shape. So I'm just going to cover the lash band so you can't see the band. So to clean up over here, I'm going to be making a line going out that way. So I'm going to be using this makeup remover. This is by Lancome. I'm going to use a little cotton round. And you can use tape like I did in my Bratz video just to make that line sharp already. So you don't have to do this. But I just wanted to freehand it. See how I wanted the look to look. So I'm just going to put this on the cotton round. Then I make this little like pizza slice, I guess. You can also use a Q-tip for this. So I'm just going to follow my bottom line right here and go out. So that's how I usually do winged liner. So this is the hard part, making it even. So if you struggle making them even, I usually go like, because this is my better side, so I usually go under a little bit more just in case rather than taking off too much. So I can just like level it out and see how much more I have to take off on this side. So that's just a little trick that you can do. And for this side, since it is a little bit more complicated, I'm going to be taking a Q-tip with that makeup remover. But I'm gonna go slow. I'm not going to go as fast as I did on the other side. Just because you want to make sure that they're even. And I like the Q-tip because you can do little sections, you know? So I think that they're even. Hopefully they are. If not, we're not perfect. Okay, so I'm going to be doing my foundation off camera. I already do have a foundation routine on my channel, so if you want to see how I do that, I cover my acne scars, I do all that jazz, so you can check that out. I will link that down below for you guys so you can check that out. So yeah, I will be right back to continue underneath of my eyes. I'm going to take this off too. I'm not going to leave it. But I just wanted to show you how I clean up. What is that? Why are things sabotaging me today? I don't understand. Are you a piece of hair? Is it still there? No. What? I don't know. But anyway, I will be right back to do underneath my eyes. So I already put some bronzer on. I'm going to be doing blush and highlight on camera. I started putting the bronzer on and realized, I was like, wait, I wanted to show you guys. But I mean, you've seen it a bunch of times. I do the same thing. Just put it around my forehead and over here and then underneath my jawline. So now we're going to be going underneath our eyes. So I'm going to be taking that shadow stick again and just putting it right on our lower lash line. So I'm going to take a smudger brush and I'm just going to smudge out the liner we just did. And I'm going as close to my lash line as I can. So since that shadow pencil is really big, I'm going to be taking the MAC Feline pencil and just putting it in my waterline since we have some space there. And you see how there's like a harsh line underneath here? So I'm just going to really blend that and then we're going to apply the shadow. Just because we want the bottom blown out as much as the top. And this is totally optional. You don't have to do a smoky bottom eye. I just like to, just because my eye shape, like I have like a crease under here, so I like to put shadow there. And now I'm going to take that C528 brush and just go right on top of the liner. And I'm using that Corrupt eyeshadow. And I'm going to keep going back and forth until it's blown out. See, I personally love this, but you don't have to do this because I know this might be a lot for some people, but for me, I love this. That looks hot. And to get even more of a blown out effect, this is optional as well, but I'm going to be taking my 217 that we used before and just blending it so you get that faded effect. Oh, that's better. I felt like it was a little too sharp at the end, so I just faded it out a little bit. I love this. Woo! Alright, now I'm going to take my Giorgio Armani Black Ecstasy Mascara. You already know I hype this up every video. I'm just going to be putting on my bottom lashes. So just to balance out our face and our eyes, I'm going to be putting on a little bit of blush. This is MAC's Sweetest Cocoa Blush. This is like an everyday blush for me. It goes on very natural and it has a little bit of shimmer in there since we do have a matte eye. And I'm going to use my Becca angled brush. I'm just going to put that right on the apples. See, it's very neutral, but it just has some color, so you're not just like straight black with the eyes. I have like a love and hate relationship with blush. Sometimes I love it, sometimes I hate it, sometimes I could deal with it, you know? I guess we're in like a relationship. Now I'm just gonna take my Real Techniques setting brush just to blend. And we're very matte right now, so I'm gonna spray my Mario Badescu spray just to give me some hydration back. And I've been so bougie. I don't have a fan, but I've been like fanning myself with my brush so it could dry quicker. Just don't slap yourself in the face. I haven't done it, but I can totally see myself doing it. There we go. See, now we have a little bit more hydration. I don't know where the chapstick went on my lips either because they looking hella crusty. So if you guys were wondering, this is the chapstick that I use. I love this. It's amazing. And I've had this forever. Like, I know it looks a little crazy now, but I've had this for like almost a year now. So I'm going to go in with highlight. I want a blinding highlight, so I'm going to be using Opal by Becca. And this highlight is so bomb. See, like, look at that. Holy crap. This is such a pretty highlight. I love it. And I like this brush because I feel like it just blends out highlights so nicely. Like when you first apply it and then blend it out in circular motions, it's bomb. It's just hella small, so I need to look for a bigger one. And I have a lot of texture here, but I love my highlights, so it is what it is. Wait, we missed the whole nose. I've been like neglecting my nose a lot in videos. What the hell? There we go. Boom. So, all we need to do is lips, girl. We're done. See, it took a little long, but we only used one eyeshadow, and this is how you can rock a black smoky winged out eye. Since we have a lot of drama on the eyes, I'm going to keep it really neutral on the lips. I'm going to be using my Cork lip pencil. I know it's crusty dusty, had it for a little bit, whatever. I'm going to be using this to line my lips. It's going to glide on a lot better too since we have that lip balm on. I think I'm going to overdraw too. Alright, so I did overdraw a little bit and I rounded out my lip line. Just because we have a dramatic eye, you know, we want to have a little bit of a illusion of big lips, you know? I'm going to be taking the Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love in the shade Dusted. And I love these lipsticks. They're so moisturizing. And since we have a matte eye, I want a glossy lip. Oh yeah, look at that. I can't. Amazing. I love this combo. So pretty. Alright, to switch up glosses, because I've been using the same gloss for a hot minute. So I'm going to be using the Charlotte Tilbury lip gloss in the shade Ibiza Nights. So this gloss is really pretty. It's like a peachy color, but it has like gold specks. It's so pretty. This used to be my everyday gloss until I found that Becca one. So I'm just going to put that on top. The only bad thing is I like Becca's wand. I feel like this is so small. Let's compare the two. Like, look how small this wand is. The Becca wand is so much bigger. Let me show you. Let me show you. So this one right here is the Becca gloss. And then this is the Charlotte gloss. Look at the difference in the wands. This one's so, like, I love how this one's angled too. Like, compared to this small little thing. But the gloss is actually bigger too. Like, look at the size of the glosses too. So this is 22. I actually don't know how much this one is, but I will put it up so you guys can see. So that's the only thing, but I do like the gloss. I just wish the wand was bigger. It just like reflects on all the light. It's so pretty. I just have to keep dipping it a bunch of times though. It's the only thing I don't like. So pretty. Yep. Love. This is how she got me, is because the color. So yeah, that is the completed look. I'm going to do my hair because it's been playing me all day. So I'm going to do my hair and then I'm going to come back with the final look. I'm just going to highlight my chest real quick. So I'm going to take that Opal again with that Morphe brush. And I'm just going to highlight a little bit. And I just washed my hair, so that's why it's all nice and fluffy. But to be real, I miss my hair. So I'm going to take this out soon. I just miss my hair. I really do. Dude, it just popped off, like, boop, literally. So, okay. I don't care. I like this brush, so I'm just gonna put it back on. And continue what I was doing. Oh, yeah. Love it. Love. Alrighty. So this is the completed look. I am not gonna say it. I always say I love this. I do love it. It's hard not to say that, but I like how smoky this is. It might be a lot for some people, but you basically got the concept down of how to do a smoky eye with just the dark pencil and the black eyeshadow. You don't have to go as winged out as I did. I just like how it looks. Very dramatic, and I have that neutral lip. I love that lip line too. Like, I'm here for it. I think I'm going to start rounding my lip liner out because I like how it looks. It's cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Be a part of the mermaid squad over here. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.